It's no secret that pools are home to creatures other than bathers. Microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses, and chlorine-resistant pathogens like Cryptosporidium can be floating around just waiting to cause trouble. Now, chlorine is traditionally used to control these nasty creatures, but extra help is sometimes needed. Ultraviolet or UV treatment provides a secondary way to fight these nasties, working alongside chemical programs. Everything passing through a UV gets a zap of light that stops them cold in their tracks. You see, UV is technically energy in the electromagnetic spectrum between X-ray and visible light. Like a silent killer, UV light can't be seen, but has powerful disinfecting properties. It inactivates microorganisms by damaging DNA inside their cells, preventing normal functions necessary to live. And it doesn't leave a trace. UV doesn't produce harmful disinfection byproducts like trihalomethane. UV light also breaks down chloramine, which causes respiratory and eye issues in and around pools. Neptune Benson ETS-UV systems are powerful, efficient, and easy to maintain. System performance is validated per rigorous industry standards, including NSF 50. However, not all NSF 50 test standards are the same. There are different standards that apply to UV disinfection systems. The names of these standards can be confusing and misleading. The base standard is called supplemental disinfection. This test requires a 3-log reduction of Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Enterococcus faecium. The UV system being tested gets to treat the water up to 6 times in order to pass this standard. The gold standard is called secondary disinfection. This test requires a 3-log reduction of Cryptosporidium. That's a 99.9% reduction. The UV system being tested gets to treat the water only once in order to pass this standard. It's much more difficult to achieve than the base standard. When selecting a UV system, always ensure that the UV system is rated for secondary disinfection, not just supplemental disinfection, and that the system has validated UV dose monitoring, which will guarantee effectiveness of the treatment system when properly operated. Be sure to verify the manufacturer's NSF claims by reviewing their listing on the NSF website. Neptune Benson UV filters also meet the requirements of all state and provincial codes, and the Model Aquatic Health Code for recreational water. Neptune Benson ETS UVs can be mounted horizontally or vertically. Their compact design works for new construction or retrofit. Changing lamps is quick and easy because there's no need to drain water from the chamber. Lamp intensity is automatically adjusted to maintain the required UV dose, saving energy and extending lamp life. Automated wipers slide across the lamp sleeves, keeping the optical bath clean. Finally, an advanced microprocessor offers multiple levels of controls, including web-based monitoring, data logging, alarms, and trend reports. Best of all, Neptune Benson UV systems can be packaged with other innovative solutions, like Defender regenerative media filters, to keep your pool clean and safe. Contact Neptune Benson today to get the most out of your water with its UV systems.